Hello, I'm Campbell Foster, founder of Pyramidion Company and designer builder of the Crystal Pyramidion kit, which I'm going to show you how to assemble today. Now, this is a full Nubian pyramid, 28 inches in height. It's quite robust. It's assembled with these non-toxic, clear acrylic struts, and we have these Canadian hardwood balls that are the joiner balls to create this perfect sacred geometry shape, which will harness the energies of the universe, and we'll show you how to put it together. So when you get your Crystal Pyramidion kit, it'll come in a triangle tube. Note it's also a Pyramidion, a pyramid. And we make sure that you don't destroy the cardboard. You'll be using this again. All the parts, let's take stock. It comes in a bubble wrap. We have our hardwood balls, Canadian hardwood balls that are drilled at the specific angle. We have 4 struts of the base length, a little shorter, and we have 4 struts of the main side strut, 4 of each, total of 8 struts. Let's go on to assemble the base. So separate out, we're using the short staves, and we've got 5 balls here. The base balls have 3 holes, and we've got a special one with 4 holes, which will create the superstructure. It's very easy. We just want to point the logos, the top of the pyramid, of the Pyramidion logo, will all point to the center as we assemble the base together. So we start with our first alignment and insert. Just give it a light push. Identify the other position properly, and make sure that the point of the pyramid is facing in. Give that a friction fit, and then form another one. Keep going. Get the side hole and the logo's facing the center. The logo's facing the center. And then we're going to join these two to form the base. And all the logos will be pointing to the center. This is the square base. It's a square Nubian style pyramid we're creating. Give it a friction fit, can align it a bit, and here we are with a finished base. Now we have the special ball with 4 holes in it. They form the superstructure of these top side struts. So we'll take the side strut and we'll do the first insert. We want to leave that line about 3 millimeters. The idea is to keep them all the same so that it works even more perfectly. So the more perfect it is, the more it will produce bioenergy for you in your life. So there we have the first one, and then go for the next. And we've got 4 side struts and 4 holes, and it forms the superstructure of the Crystal Pyramidion. The final strut going in the top, and then flip over the bottom base and position the superstructure ready to assemble the final part. Here we are, we're joining the superstructure to the base, so we have it in position. Let's just take one of the base struts and pop it in to the base joiner wood ball, and there is our pyramid. Now the next step is important, that we want to straighten it, each strut, so that it is more perfect, and then it will operate much better and produce even more bioenergy. So we want it as perfect as possible. Now what can you do with this amazing resonant machine of life energy? Well, you can use it to structure water, put a jug of water there, and within even 2 hours, it's a greater taste of purity in the water. It's more energetic, it's more viscous, it's more life-giving, it's more alive, and that's just 1 or 2 hours within this pyramid as it energizes whatever you put into it. So we can even put ourselves into it to energize ourselves. So we're, as they say in the law of one Ra, that would be like applying electricity to the body, mind, and spirit of the entity. So it's a very friendly design. You can wear it around the house if you don't have time to sit down and meditate. But I advise you to use it for meditation as metaphysical training wheels. It also can be a great RF reduction and EMF field reduction, because it's producing 0-point energy from which all of those energies arise from and lowering them, including time. And for optimum energy production, we want to align it to magnetic north. So first, determine magnetic north with a compass, or go to Google Maps and look up your house, and you'll see a little triangular pyramid-like arrow that's red on the top showing north and white on the bottom showing south. So take one of the sides of this Pyramidion and align it for optimum output. Now you see that this is our finished working pyramid, no moving parts, no batteries required for a lifetime of use. Here we are with two Pyramidions, two crystal Pyramidions, and these Pyramidions are pretty amazing because energy flows between them. That means you can cover area with these. That means you could put two of them beside your bed on your side tables and it would cover the whole area because these have, they create their own electromagnetic filament between them that we've measured. And they also connect with all the other pyramids in the universe, so, and all the other tiny atomic pyramids within your body for your health and longevity. How do you own a Crystal Pyramidion kit, you ask? It's very easy. Just go to my website, campbellfoster.ca/Pyramidion, and there's more information about its uses and how to assemble it, and a secure PayPal button there that'll ask for your shipping, and we'll get it to you right away.